Say hi, Daddy.
Love you.
He's calling Daddy. He's saying,
Oh, you're calling Daddy?
I'm sitting in bed.
Say hi, Daddy.
Did he show you his beard?
Look at Daddy's beard. Say, I like your beard, Daddy.
You do? Are you sure you like it? Yeah, beard. Daddy will be home in 10 days, he says. Stay there. Say bye-bye to Daddy then. Say love you, Daddy. Give him a hug and kiss.
I'll give you a kiss now.
Daddy's giving you kisses.
Hug. Hug.
Give him a hug.
Okay, well.
Say I love you. Look, he's loving you. Say you. Okay, say bye-bye.
Come on.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Alright. I love you. Bye.